Welcome to Travel Buddies. Here, we try our best to show you the real image of Iran and its beauty, and of course, its peaceful people. This is what media doesn't show you, or perhaps doesn't want you to know. Iran is filled with culture and history, but many people around the world aren't even aware of that. So, if you want to know more about it, stay tuned. Hey everyone, how are you today? Welcome to your channel. Have you seen the previous video? Let us know what did you think about it in the comments. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram as well. So, there are only 2 days left of this year. Have you reached the goals you've set in the beginning of the year? What did you experience throughout the year? You can share it in the comments if you like. One way to learn from all the things happen in our lives is to keep a journal. You can read it once in a while so you wouldn't have forgotten anything and remember what to do in the similar situations. Anyway, have you set your tables for the half scene? I know I promised to tell you what we set on the table, I remember. But I will tell you tomorrow on the very last day of the year. You can have a little survey to be prepared and know. So where do you think we'll take you today? It's located in 12th district of Tehran, in Pamenar area, in Nasser Khosrow Street, between Mu'attar and Tusarkhani Ali. It's called Marvi Street. Marvi Street Market is known for snacks and food-related products. And it's one of the most crowded markets in Tehran. And there are famous places near there, such as the Grand Bazaar. Remember that? We recorded a little bit of it for you. It's always crowded, but these last days, it's almost impossible to go there. And the prices rise a bit near the New Year. It's unfair, I know. The architecture of this street is something else. The buildings have so much to tell. If only they could talk. It's not just for snacks and all. It has almost every other thing. Makes it a whole package. But since it's popular for that special thing, people say it's for snacks. But you can actually find whatever you want here. This street starts from Shamsul Emara Mansion in Golestan Palace from west, and it goes till it reaches Pamenar Street from east. You can go there by subway, and from 15 Khordad station till there you gotta walk about 10 minutes. And from Imam Khomeini station, there is only 15 minutes. Bus and cab are also available. You can use your own car, but it's better if you don't. It's too crowded. It's not safe. This street goes way back in the history. In Qajar's era, you can look it up. There are so many things about it to know. There are places to visit, such as mosques and old schools and etc. You should make time to visit in the spring. I think that's all for now. Take care of yourselves. All the love, travel buddies.
سه تومن بده. دیدم مانده من بیشتر